Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your off-road and specialty truck dealership here in the Midwest, bringing you another package we put together. This one's called the Maverick. Now, we're going to go over all the components as part of this package, and here at McArthur, we like to do some specialty off-road packages and different customizations on a lot of our F-150s. We are one of the leading Super Duty dealership here in Kansas, and we like to do some cool things with our off-road trucks, especially our F-150s and Super Duty. So this package is a little bit different than our LM series truck packages, so let's go ahead and dive right in, kind of go over the different components that were put on this package. Now this package we did put on an XLT 302A equipment group with the sport package and your special edition package, but this is a package that can be put on any truck. If you want to put on a Lariat, we can do that, a Platinum, a King Ranch, whatever it might be, we can put this package on that. So just keep that in mind. We're just going to cover the package itself, but we do like to try to go with the XLT to try to keep the cost down a little bit, and we'll show you how some things that we put on the inside as well to kind of give you some luxury feel as well. So now Ford has reached out because Ford has really realized a lot of dealerships are wanting to put different lift kits and wheels and tires and aftermarket supplies on their trucks, because F-150s, as well as they're finding out with the Ranger as well, are wanting, a lot of people like to accessorize their trucks quite a bit. So they're really trying to help out the dealerships by providing some different things. So we elected to try this out with this package. So it does have the Pro Comp level kit in here. This is a 4-inch level kit that we put on this package. So real nice. We've used Pro Comp in the past, have done really well with it, and they have a really good warranty, and we'll get into warranties at the end of the video, but a really good warranty that's going to go along with that. Also, the fuel wheels. Now this is the design we decided to go with. This is the Assault 20-inch black machine face aluminum wheel. We can do different designs as well, so you don't have to go with this particular wheel. If you want a different wheel design, we can do that as well. And then we went with these Toyo brand open country all-terrain tires. They are 35 by 12.5, so real nice big tire, wide tire as well. And because it's a little bit wider stance and wider tire, we felt like we needed to put these Bushwacker fender flares. They are painted to match fender flares, that pocket style that a lot of people like, that have been put on this truck as well. So real great looking lift kit with those different wheels, tires, and those fender flares. Just makes it look good. But because it is leveled up or lifted up a little bit, a 4-inch lift kit, we decided to take off the sport running boards that are on the side, those side steps, and put these Amp Research brand power boards on it. We like Amp Research brand because they are illuminated. They deploy down really fast as well, and deploy down a little bit lower than most of your power boards. So really love how that works. And then when you shut the doors, you'll notice it tucks up pretty closely up against the bottom there, give you a little bit more clearance than you would have with the running boards or those side steps that they come with there. Now we also put front window tint on this too, so from the factory you're going to have your privacy glass on these back windows and back glass. We also put a front window tint on it as well. We can do that. We're a certified SunGuard dealer here at McArthur, so we added that on the front of it too. Now if that's something you can't have from your state, not a problem. We can put this package on a different truck and make sure we don't put that on the truck as well. Also, spray and bed liner. We are a Rhino liner dealer as well. So this is the Rhino Pro spray and bed liners put in there. We take out all the hooks in there, as well as the LED box lighting, and spray it in and put everything back perfectly the way it was. So real nice spray and liner that's going to be included as part of this package. Also wheel well liners. So I'll give you a good clip of that, see what that looks like, but that's kind of more of that almost a drop-in liner material that's put in here in the rear. Already had it in the front, so we just went ahead and added it to the back as well, so you can do some off-roading with this truck. We also had this vehicle before it was brought to the dealership, drop shipped in Kansas City, where at Top King. And Top King is going to put these nice interior trim in this. So they are leather. Of course, XLT is going to start with cloth, the sport seats. They're going to be black interior. And we had them put these Roadwire brand black leather seats in here. So nice premium leather seats. I think they do a really good job there when we drop it down there. Top King does a good job of fitting these seat covers over these real nicely for you. So you're going to have these premium leather seats. Not only here are the front bucket seats, but also the bench seats are going to have the premium leather seats as well. Couple last things to talk about. Of course, anytime you put any kind of different wheels and tires on the vehicle, you want to make sure you're doing alignment. So we're going to include a 4-wheel alignment with this, and then also a speedometer recalibration. It's a Hypertech kit that we use to recalibrate the speedometer so that it's working right. And then let's not forget about the graphics. Of course, McArthur would like to put different graphics on the truck to kind of dress it up a little bit. So this in here is going to be the Maverick Edition logo here on the side. So that bedside as well as the one on the windshield up there are going to be about the same size right there. there. And then we're gonna have a smaller version here on the back of the tailgate in the corner. So that's something we like to put on a lot of our trucks. If you want this package, you don't want the graphics, just let us know. We'll make sure we don't put those on that truck. Or if you like this truck and you want those removed, we can take those off as well. They will not do any damage to the paint. So we do a good job of being able to do that. So again, this is a great package I think you'll like. Reach out to us. You can locate us on website at lawmcarthur.com. There in each one of our vehicles, you can check for availability, schedule test drive. You can see pictures as well as a 360-degree walk around the inside as well as an inside perspective on each one of our vehicles. So I think you really appreciate that. Also, reach out to us if you're interested in this. You can call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031 or toll free 1-800-874-6316. Check out on our website all of our inventory. We do have an aftermarket section with a page on all the different packages that we put here at Lawn McArthur we can do for you, as well as the inventory for each one of those. You can also go to our off-road inventory where we have all of our off-road trucks listed in one spot, and so you can see the different packages that we have currently in stock with the different packages on them in different colors. And again, if you want a different color, a different package that you want this put on, just let us know. We can help you out that way. So again, thanks for watching this video. This is our 2019 F150 Maverick Edition. Hi all you YouTube viewers out there, I have a special offer for you, and that's going to be free shipping on any one of our trucks to you if you live within the 48 states and we ask that you finance a vehicle with us. And we're very transparent about that. The reason we do ask you to do that is because the shipping is not free. It does cost us money, but if you finance with us, the lender will actually reimburse us for any kind of financing through them, and they give a percentage of the car deal that way, and that's how we're able to kind of do that. So but it is not a cost that's incurred onto you, so it won't just change the price. We won't up the price any or anything like that. And there's several different lenders with some great rates out there as well that we work through. So definitely reach out to us so we can do that and get you free shipping, delivering this right to your door. So again, you can do that. Just mention that you saw this video on YouTube and we can offer that up to you as well there. And don't forget, you can check out our website, lawmcarthur.com. You can also give us a call toll free, 1-800-874-6316, or you can reach out to us via text as well at 785-378-5031. So again, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. It lets other people know it's a great video they need to watch. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. I do read all those, respond to those as well. Definitely love that feedback from our YouTube viewers, so definitely do that. Let other people know what you're thinking too, and get that talk going on this truck and what you think of this package here. Also, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit that red subscribe button in the corner or at the end of this video, the logo in the middle. And don't forget, hit that notification bell and you'll get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our channel. Also, at the end of this video, you're going to see a couple different suggested videos. One of them is actually a playlist that we have for off-road trucks. So definitely check that out, as well as some other different videos over here on this other side over here. So definitely check those videos out. Until the next one, we'll see you later.